Hey Saints, do you want to learn how to make pipe cleaner lilies? Then come follow us.
The first step is to grab 3 pipe cleaners and cut 2 of them in half, like so. The next thing you'll want to do is to bend each pipe cleaner in half. The next step is to merge the 2 pipe cleaners together, like so. And then you'll take it and twist in one direction twice. Repeat this step for the next couple pieces. Next, you will bend all the pipe cleaners in the same direction forwards. The next step is to grab all the pipe cleaners and pinch them together. You'll want to grab one of the longer sides and wrap it all the way around the ends of the smaller pipe cleaners. After you finish twisting it all the way around, you're going to want to spread it out a little bit and mold it into the shape of a petal. After you've made 6 petals, you'll want to grab a long green pipe cleaner for the stem. You'll grab it and twist it together, like so. Now the tricky part is to glue it all together using a hot glue gun. Apply a small amount of glue onto the stem and glue on your first petal.
After you've placed each petal, make sure you wrap the extra pipe cleaner around the stem. Make sure to do this step each time before adding a new petal, or else it will become confusing.
Once you finish gluing on each petal, you now have a beautiful lily.